Are you getting the Gdx-freetype library DLL error after the LibGDX Project update? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's restore that orphaned library and fix your app. As we look at the manual steps for Gdx-freetype library, there is also a diagnostic resource for reviewing your overall system health. This is the Gdx-freetype library, a specialized extension for the LibGDX Java game framework that allows games to render TrueType fonts. It is a mandatory requirement for hundreds of indie games. If missing, the game will fail to display any text or menus, often crashing during the UI-bootstrapping phase with a TTF engine initialization failure. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. This error indicates that a protected Windows file has been compromised. Use the official System File Checker tool. Run sfc/scan now in an administrator CMD to ensure Gdx-freetype library DLL is restored to its original verified state. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Gdx-freetype library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Be aware that manual interventions for Gdx-freetype library DLL often create secondary conflicts. Using an incorrect file version can cause cascading application crashes, making your workstation significantly less stable than before. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. For users impacted by missing library references, the repair tool linked below provides general background information on Gdx-freetype library. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved Gdx-freetype library error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.